Hi there, this is Ty with Canix. In this video, we'll go over how to create a new user in Canix. So I'm on the user management page here. You can find this in the admin section of your account. I'm going to go and select create new user. So there are 3 required fields for each user. The name, which will be used to identify and show the user throughout the product, phone number, and email address as well. The email address is used for this individual's login. So you'll use the email to log in as your username, not the name specified at the top. You'll have the option to specify a metric key for each user. So this is really helpful if you want to maintain the permissions that you already have set up in metric. By copy and pasting a user's key into Canix, you can make sure those same permissions apply and the user can't make any submissions in Canix that they would not be able to make in metric. To find the user key in metric, you'll simply navigate to the top right here and select API keys and copy and paste this key into Canix. There's 2 optional fields as well for an employee ID if you use one across all your employees, and an hourly rate. So there are permissions to restrict who can see hourly rates in Canix, and we'll go over that in a separate video on web and mobile permission groups. Why this might be useful is to help track your labor costs. So you can manually apply labor costs to inventory. You can also record hours worked on manufacturing runs and in task management. So if you're focused on costing, you'll definitely want to include hourly rates on your users in Canix. There's a few options for roles and permissions and settings specific to each user on this modal. So the first being receives allocated sales inventory. So if you're using the inventory assignment tool, this will mark this individual to be added to that tool so that you can assign inventory to them for sales. There's also 2 notification settings related to submissions. So one to notify for all submissions and one notification for pending submissions. So these will go into your inbox and can be something really helpful to turn on for a compliance manager so that you're not missing any submissions as they come through. Next, notification for sales orders being created. Similarly, it's going to come through your inbox, helpful for sales managers to keep track of what's going off the shelf. And then finally, managing leaf link listings. This gives access to, like it says, manage leaf link orders in Canix and create those as Canix sales orders. Next, you'll be able to specify the facilities that this individual should have access to. So we have 34 facilities available in this account, and you'll select which specific facilities this individual needs access to. Finally, you will select a permission group for this individual. More on that in a separate video. So once we've created this user, they'll receive a password reset email. And from there, they'll be able to create their password and log into Canix. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.